Now it's time to assemble the Heritage Mailbox. You can see I have one here right on my pedestal. It's a heavy gauge mailbox, about a little over 30 pounds. It's a beautiful cast aluminum door. I have it on my pedestal here for assembly. And that's one of the nice values that you get here at Yankee Mailbox, that will assemble your mailbox for you instead of just getting a bag of parts, having to do it yourself. Pour all the parts into a tray. That way I know when the job's done, there's nothing left in the tray. It's all assembled properly. I'm going to start out with the heavy-duty flag here. It's a steel flag, and it's a really nice mechanism. There's vinyl bushings here that go in between the flag and the mailbox, and stainless steel fasteners with more vinyl washers. And those washers are nice. They keep the finish from getting scratched. So it's really well constructed, and just never fails, this flag. Has a nice smooth travel to it. And these are lock nuts, stainless steel lock nuts. And the nice thing about those is when you cinch those on, they don't back up on you. They stay fastened. In all the years, I haven't seen one come off yet. I have my screwdriver set to the proper torque setting. And I like to feel it too, just to make sure that it has a good feel to it. It's not too firm, not loose. Very good. I got this flag tuned up properly. Very nice. I'm going to move on to the latch. I like this latch. It's a very simple mechanism. Again, a very simple mechanism that doesn't fail. Has a good feel to it. It's adjustable too, and I adjust it so it has a nice firm setting. It also has a lock nut on it that doesn't come off. Put a little bit of grease on that. Give it a smooth travel, a good sound. Now I'm going to put the weather stripping on. Weather stripping keeps the moisture or the rain out of your box. Also gives the door a nice sound, a thud sound, which sounds a lot better than metal clanging on metal. Very good. Very sticky stuff. Okay. Gonna lay that right in the channel here. Nice and neat. This mailbox has a lot of nice amenities to it. And this weather stripping is one of them. You don't get this on just any mailbox. This is a beautiful design. Very good. I'm going to adjust the latch. Tune that up. Boy, that has a good feel to it. Let's see here. It's a really nice cast aluminum door with our patented design. Of course, when the door comes down, it lands on these bumpers. They're rubber automotive grade bumpers. So it has a nice feel when it drops. Okay. Nice and quiet when it comes down. Of course, this Heritage Mailbox also has an internal mail tray. Handy. You have to reach inside the mailbox to get your mail. Very good. So that's tuned up excellent. Take the mounting hardware, gather it up, and put it inside the mailbox. And these are stainless steel lag screws here, and those fasten right through the floor of this heavy gauge steel mailbox. There's 4 holes here. Mounts directly into the mailbox brace. And Heritage also has, I can show it to you, a hole right in the back of the back plate of the mailbox. And this allows us to put a fastener, which is our stabilizer system, through the back of the mailbox and fasten it securely into the post. That gives you tremendous lateral strength, and that is a secret to our post strength, and the reason why our post is the strongest in the world. When you tie a heavy gauge steel mailbox like this into a post, and you do it that way, it's solid. Your other mailboxes, you'll see they don't have the hole in the back, so there's no way to tie the mailbox into the vertical post, and they just don't seem to handle the weight of the snow in the wintertime, so we figured it out here. Very good. Okay, now we're going to letter the mailbox. I got my work order here. This one's 55 Laurel Drive. And we have our reflective lettering here. This is excellent 3M vinyl lettering. It's the best material in the business. It has a very good adhesive and it holds up well, and we've tried other brands, but this is by far the best quality. I'm peeling away the backing here. You can see on my pedestal here, I have a rail. This mailbox drops right into the cavity, and it allows me to line up the lettering and center it. There we go. Right there. Line it up on the rail, and then you just drop it right in. Pat it. I have my roller here. Rolling that down solid. Just peeling it away, keeping my eyes on the product. Using 2 hands. And walking the backing tape right off the mailbox. Excellent. I have my little slide-in template. This way I can drop on the address numbering. This allows me to center it and get it in the same spot every time. Center it between the end of the mailbox and the flag. Good. Roll that out, get any bubbles out. Professionally done, consistent and good quality. Now we're going to do the reverse side of the mailbox. This Heritage mailbox has a superior finish. It's the best quality powder coat finish you can get. UV protected, and you need great paint, good durable paint to handle the outdoors, the intense heat out there on the road. been at this a long time, and that's just one place you don't want to skimp. Your mailbox finish. So we get the best quality paint. I like this finish too. It's a gloss finish, and that provides the best adhesion for the letters. It also looks great. On this reverse side, without the flag, we center the address number. So I'm dropping in my template. Fancy roller here, rolling out any bubbles that it might have, and that's good and solid adhesion. Very good. Okay. I want to cover the heritage mailbox in a bag. That way it won't get scuffed or scratched. And of course I also need to get some spray wax on the mailbox. That way it's nice and shiny right out of the box. Very good. This door here too, got a piano hinge, which is very, very strong. Just won't fail. 4 fasteners here that tie it all together. It's really well built. This is a welded steel, 16 gauge steel. It's a 30-pounder. Very good. You know, when I wax it too, I can watch it and I can look at it and see that it doesn't have any imperfections. It's great quality. Good. 55 Laurel Drive. Ready to box. Place it in the carton. And I seal it up. Customer name on it. At Yankee Mailbox, we get the job done for you. We tune up your mailbox and we install, and we can ship it out to you as well. Key thing is that it's tuned up and has a good feel right out of the box.